What does the end of the universe look like? This is indeed a picture that fills humans with infinite reverie, but because the radius of the observable universe has reached 46.5 billion light-years, humans cannot reach the edge of the universe at present. So how long will it take for a human spacecraft to fly there at the 6th cosmic speed? Has humanity ever achieved this speed in reality? Before embarking on this journey, let's first understand the concept of cosmic speed. This is the lowest speed value for launching a spacecraft from the Earth to the universe. At present, the scientific community divides cosmic speed into 6 types, from the 1st cosmic speed to the 6th cosmic speed. But humans have only reached the 3rd cosmic speed, which is a speed value of 16.7 kilometers per second that can escape the gravity of the Sun and fly into interstellar space. The most representative human spacecraft are the Pioneer 10 and Voyager probes launched by the United States in the 1970s. They have now become the man-made objects that have flown the farthest from the Earth in human history. Although humans currently know very little about the Milky Way and galaxy clusters, we can still estimate the approximate values of the 4th and 5th cosmic velocities to be 150 kilometers to 1500 kilometers, respectively. However, it is difficult to calculate the mass of celestial bodies at the next level, and there are many different opinions about the value of the 6th cosmic velocity. However, since the speed of light is currently the upper limit that any mass object cannot exceed, some scientists believe that the 6th cosmic velocity is about 99.6% of the speed of light. So assuming that humans can live to 100 million years old and have endless fuel as a power source, how long will it take us to reach the edge of the universe at this speed? It took us a year to pass through the Oort cloud and get rid of the gravity of the Sun. This speed seems very fast, but then you will experience the feeling that the speed of light is as slow as a snail in the universe. 4 years later, we finally arrived at the Proxima system. We may see the scene of the Trisolarians living on the ground of Proxima, but it may also be a terrifying alien world that is stingy. 40 years later, you have flown to the TRAPPIST System 1, a system of 7 planets discovered by humans. TRAPPIST Wing 1 looks very fascinating because it not only has liquid water, but also may have intelligent civilization. But you can't stop to explore it because this is just the beginning and there is still a long way to go. So you should go into the hibernation capsule to rest. 7,000 years have passed in a blink of an eye, and you have just flown to the creation of the Eagle Nebula, pillar of life. Although you are already very far away, you haven't even flown out of the Milky Way. This is the distance of 70,000 light-years from the edge of the Milky Way, which means that it will take another 70,000 years for you to go out and finally fly across the Milky Way. But what is waiting for you is a local galaxy group with hundreds of galaxies. The span of this cluster reaches 10 million light-years, which means that you need to continue flying for 10 million years. But after 10 million years, you have just flown into the Virgo supercluster of 200 million light-years, which means that you will spend the rest of your life here. Even if you are still alive, you are still at least 46.3 billion light-years away from the edge of the universe. From this point of view, even when the solar system becomes a red giant, humans cannot fly to the edge of the universe. What's more, humans have not yet developed a light-speed spacecraft. Even if they have a light-speed spacecraft, it is still an impossible task based on the current lifespan of humans. From this point of view, the speed of light seems to be an invisible shackle that forever restricts humans from wanting to understand the truth of the universe.